Nice and toasty. There we go. Bon appetit. Breakfast is served. Built not bought. Maple leaf. You got a maple leaf tattoo in Rasta colors. I don't know what that is. Do you want to ruin my credit? Sure. I'd be good at that. I can shop. Good morning, good morning. Yes, Bernard, I do work out. No, I don't really speak French. Hello, Darren, Alan, Max, Ruben, Karaoke Girl. Thank you for the follow. Follow. It's Toronto, not Toronto. What? I never said that. You sent me an email? Oh, okay. Not an email. No, I'm not a teacher. That's weird. Do I give a teacher vibe? Sit down, everyone. Pay attention. Everyone must be on their best behavior today. Good morning, good morning. I have a teacher voice, so that's funny. A lot of people say they like my voice. They're like, your voice is very soothing. I hate the sound of my voice. When I hear myself on a voicemail or recording and be like, oh, really? That's what I sound like? People enjoy this. I think it's very strange, but apparently the rest of you enjoy it. You broke your pencil? Straight to detention. Why is it going red? I'm losing connection. Oh no. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go though. My breakfast is ready. I have to leave. It has been a blast. Thank you. Thank you all for coming to hang out with me this morning while I made breakfast, while I made my farmer's wraps. Breakfast is made. I'm just not eating it while you guys watch me because that's awkward. I did that yesterday. I ate my little burrito where I had the egg, cheese, and spinach. That wasn't as messy or as big, okay? But this is gonna be big and messy, so I'm not eating this on live. So, guys, follow. Let's do this again tomorrow morning. How's that sound? Good plan? Yes. Okay, well, it's solved. I will see you all tomorrow morning. Don't forget to follow and turn on notifications so you know when I go live. All right, everyone. Goodbye.